Work less, earn more. I think we'll all agree that Lee's speech this evening was relevant, interesting and extremely useful. Fellow Toastmasters, a very welcome guest, and especially Lee. I have been looking forward to Lee's next speech, and I know one of the things that she was asking us to look out for is how fast she speaks. Well, I have to tell you, she spoke at a wonderful pace this evening. She caught our attention immediately by quoting statistics and then asking us questions. And the great thing about questions is that they make the audience start to think, is this relevant to me? Well, yes, because we all want to be more successful, don't we? Yes. Yes, you can nod. The other thing I thought was particularly strong about Lee's speech this evening was that she told us what she was going to tell us. She said she was going to tell us 3 things. And then she went on to tell us 3 things. 3 really useful things. The first being to focus. She used the wonderful expression, look out for hinges for those open doors. And it conjured up a wonderful image in my mind. And I thought, yeah, get that. The second thing that she asked us to take into consideration, or one of her second principles, was to find a mentor. Someone who was successful in the area that you wanted to be successful in. And then she gave us another memorable tip. You are the average of the 5 people you spend most time with. And I don't know about you, but I sat there thinking, well, that's my husband. Who are the other 4 people I spend my time with? And I'm thinking, do you know, that's actually really important, because we are who we spend our time with. The third tip she gave us was outsource. Don't do the things you can't do, you don't do well. And I thought, you know, that's a really clear message. And then she finished up with a wonderful summary, and I went away thinking, you know, I'm really glad I came here tonight. I have 1, possibly 2 recommendations for me. One is, she was a little hesitant standing at the lectern. So my first suggestion is perhaps practice a little more. But if you are finding yourself nervous, look at someone who's smiling at you in the audience and smile back. It gives you that extra confidence boost. The second, move away from the lectern, because you'll find yourself freer. But in conclusion, I thought it was a really exceptional speech. I'm looking forward to hearing Lee speak again. I've made a note of those 3 tips, and I'm going to go away and apply them. So thank you, Lee.